Welcome back to The Balanced Life, where we tackle real-world challenges faced by entrepreneurs who are trying to grow sustainable, meaningful businesses. I'm Tiffany Colter, and today I want to talk to those of you who feel like you are pushing your business uphill every single day. If you've ever thought, I'm doing all the right things, so why isn't this working? You're not alone. And the reason usually isn't what you think. Most entrepreneurs, especially in the early growth stages, blame their struggle on the wrong problem. They think, maybe my prices are too high. I need to post more on social. Maybe this niche isn't profitable. But in 80% of the cases that I see, the real issue is a weak business foundation. Something in your core strategy is either missing or misaligned, and adding more effort on top of a weak foundation just accelerates your burnout. It doesn't help your growth. So let me give you a real world analogy. Imagine building a house. You design beautiful rooms, pick out high-end finishes, and even put in the best appliances. But if the foundation was poured without proper supports, eventually cracks will appear. Doors won't shut properly, floors will slope. No matter how much you spend on the interior design, the structure itself is working against you and what you're trying to do. So, how do you spot if your business has a hidden weak link? You can ask yourself some questions. What's the one task or goal that you keep revisiting, tweaking, or worrying about, but never fully solve? That's usually where the foundation is unstable. But don't worry, I've got some ideas. Quick action step. First, if today's episode resonated with you, share it with a business friend who's been feeling stuck as well. And if you want to go deeper, visit thebalancedlife.com or my Substack, buildingthebalancedlife.substack.com, to learn more about some of our practical growth resources that we have available all the time for free. Next, here's your assignment for today. Write down 3 things in your business that constantly frustrate or confuse you. Just get them on a piece of notebook paper. This doesn't have to be fancy. For each of them, ask, is this a surface problem? Or is it a symptom of a deeper foundation issue in your business? If you're not sure how to tell, I've actually designed a tool that will help you out. It's inside my Business Foundations course. But even just recognizing that the problem may not be what it seems is a huge first step. I realize that fixing foundation problems in a house or in a business isn't really glamorous, but it's what creates sustainable long-term growth. I have something else that will help you if you want to take the next step. If you're tired of guessing why your offers and pages just aren't converting like they should, why your business isn't grabbing your customers, then go over to my free Simple Sales Page Blueprint. It's a quick guide to help you pinpoint weak spots in your sales, pages and start turning more visitors into buyers. The link is in the show notes. It's also in the description. Remember, we all fail sometimes. Just try to fail forward. I'll see you next time.